Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, you are looking at one of the best views in Dallas. This is of downtown Dallas, uptown Dallas, and Victory Park, all in the same apartment building. This is at the 23. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, and I'm just gonna show it off a little bit. This is on the top floor, by the way. The top floor, it's the 24th floor of the building called the 23. Very, very attractive kitchen here, huge island. Love the island that's here. Beautiful appliances, big appliances, and you even have a nice little wine fridge over there. Love that wine fridge. You've got a really big living room area over here, and then you've got two very nice, nicely separated bedrooms. One's over there, and then one's over here. I did want to walk in this bedroom so you can see it. This is pretty fantastic view. So this is, you've got two walls of windows, and you're basically seeing the entire just best of downtown Dallas. You've got Victory Park, Dallas over here. You've got uptown Dallas over here, and then you've got downtown Dallas over here, all from your bedroom. Waking up to this will be so fun. It's energizing. You would love the feel that you would have, the energy, the excitement, and the lighting would be amazing. Hey, if you're ready to take your adventure to Dallas and get the perfect apartment, what I want you to do is send me a text. We are always looking at the best apartments in Dallas. What I recommend is we chat a bit, understand your needs, and then let's set up a tour. Let's start with a virtual tour of some of the best apartment buildings in Dallas. That's a virtual tour that's on your phone. You don't have to come in person. You can just start with a virtual tour, and we'll set that for you. It's always free, and our service is always free as well. That way you can do it without visiting in person. It's just an easier way to understand what's out there, and what things would be like for you. So send me a text, the number below. We'll chat and we'll go from there.